guys, Wolf is here with another YouTube video. Today we're playing Motocross Madness, and so far I have the best class, I think. I don't know.
What?
Maybe that rap is the best. I don't know. But anyway, Al, straight up. Nick is doing something, I don't know. But my chronic, hashtag my chronic. Alex will leave the name of this game in the description below.
Julian, I made it just in time.
Cool, we already started. So my chronic is back, everybody.
Hashtag Macronic, oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my god, my chronic, hashtag my chronic, oh my god.
Site is a
I think oh my god, not OMG.
Oh my god.
First place already.
This dude just pushed me out of the map.
Holy crap.
I'm in
Julian, are
first
you
place.
first?
Yep.
Third.
Imagine if somebody else in this lobby was recording too. That'd be hilarious. Shortcut. I didn't mean to check the shortcut though.
We have also some shortcut, Julian.
I didn't mean to. That's the funny part is that I didn't mean to. Oh my god, I left. I'm in first place.
Ah!
The only reason you're in first is because you started before me.
I ran into a wall, crap. Who's in first now?
The guy that was in second.
That was a nice one. The guy who was in second.
And I'm in third. Oh, Julian, I'm in second, you're in first.
I'm not. I'm in third. I fell off my bike twice.
But you're in first.
Some other dude, that's not me. Or Alex.
The dude
Or
that's
you.
in first. Duh.
Crap.
Dude, I see him, he fell off.
Go for the opening.
3 tricks at once.
Someone Twitter for 1,509 points. Oh crap. Nope, I'm not found that. Crap. No. Alex, are you in fifth place?
Nope.
Fourth?
Yep.
Dang, you're right back. I think I just got it, though. Don't think I know.
How?
What if I never told you you went the wrong way? Yeah.
You'd actually know because people would be passing it if you're front, but... Dude, I'm going right behind you. Even if you're using a boost every time you get it. He's just got bigger boosts because he's using better tricks.
Or he's got the illegal one.
Dude, I didn't hit. I hit the back of his bike and I fell. What? He's got a huge lead.
I think we should do one more race after this race. But
Are we gonna play more after?
yeah, but I don't think we're going to record that one. So we're going to do 2 races instead of so. Right now, I'm like really, like, for some reason, like, I'm really stuck.
right now I'm bouncing.
Think I should be able to finish the race?
Improve your club might need in any event. I just got 100 XP points.
Think I should be able to finish? Yeah, third. At least I got third. No, that's good.
Behind me.
I think we're due. Alex, do you think you have enough room to do one more race?
Yeah. But we gotta do it quick.
Well, no, just end it when, you get after this, because we're not risking. Okay?
Just end it right now. Yes! The dude that was in front of me left. Yes! Dude, just end it right now.
Hey.
Yeah, end it now.
Alright, well, thank you,
Bye,
YouTube. Yeah, thank you. That was my chronic. And yeah, thank you, YouTube.
Also, guys, YouTube, just to be clear, me and Alex are both Golden Slender. He's Golden Slender 1, I'm Golden Slender 2, because, we came up with a name together.
Yeah.
Okay, goodbye, YouTube.
Bye!
So,